Welcome to Easy Tutorial Concepts. Today we'll be learning how to differentiate using quotient rule. When do you use quotient rule? When two numbers are dividing themselves, two expressions are dividing themselves, you use quotient rule. We talked about product rule in the last video, we talked about composite or chain rule. Now we are looking at quotient rule. So when you have two numbers dividing themselves, you have something like, let's say 4x all over 2x plus 4, dividing themselves, you use quotient rule. Now, what's the formula for quotient rule? Formula for quotient rule is giving us the y ds is equals to v du minus u dv all over v square. V du minus u dv all over v square. So let's say we have a question giving us, take y to be 2x square all over 3x plus 1. So without wasting time, to solve this particular problem, since they are dividing themselves, use quotient rule. You say let u equal to the numerator 2x square and let v equal to the denominator 3x plus 1. Differentiate this u with respect to x. If we differentiate 2x squared, it will give us 4x. Then when you differentiate v with respect to x, differentiate 3x, that will give us 3. Differentiate 1, which is a constant, that is 0. So having gotten this differentiation, you will state your formula. You say formula is given as v du minus u dv all over v square. These are with respect to x, with respect to x. So let's take this thing upwards. So what is my v? V is 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 times du. This is v, this is du with respect to x. Du 4x minus u times dv. U is 2x squared times dv. dv is 3 all over v square. These are v, 3x plus 1 all square. So if this is true, let's expand this bracket. 4x times 3x, that will give us 12x squared. 4x times 1, that is 4x, minus 3 times 2x squared will give us 6x squared all over 3x plus 1 all square. So 12x squared minus 6x squared will give us 6x squared plus 4x, all divided by 3x plus 1 all square. We can factorize this our numerator. Since 2 can go into both them, we have x here. So the highest common factor there is 2x. 6x squared divided by 2x. 6 divided by 2, that will give us 3. S squared divided by x, that will give us x. Plus 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. X divided by x, that's 1. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 2 is 4x. So you have just expanded and factorized the numerator all over 3x plus 1 all square. This is your final answer. So we can also take another example to still buttress our understanding of a product of a quotient rule. Let's see another question. Let's see another question. Let's say we have y equal to x plus 1 all over 2x minus 3. So this is two expressions dividing themselves. You say let u equal to the numerator x plus 1, and let v equal to the denominator 2x minus 3. So when you differentiate u with respect to x, differentiate x will give us 1, differentiate 1, that's 0. Then differentiate v with respect to x. Differentiate 2x, that's 2, differentiate minus 3, and that's 0. So you restate the formula that by saying quotient 2 is given as v du minus u dv all over v square. You know, these are with respect to x. U dv with respect to x, okay? So, minus. What is our v? V is 2x plus 1. 2x minus 3 times du. Du here is 1 minus u dv. This is u. X plus 1 times dv, which is 2 all over v square. V square, v is 2x minus 3 or square. And let's expand this bracket. For us to expand, 1 times 2x will give us 2x. 1 times minus 3 will give us minus 3. Minus, it's advisable you expand the bracket with 2 first before you expand the bracket with the minus, because the minus is going to affect everything in the bracket. Same way you have to use 2 to open this bracket. So it becomes 2 times x, 2x. You must multiply everything in this bracket by 2. At the same time, the negative will also affect all terms in the bracket. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 1, I will give us a 2 all over 2x minus 3 all square. Now, the negative sign will have effect on this. Minus times 2x minus 2x minus times plus 2 minus 2 all over 2x minus 3 all square. So 2x minus 2x, that's 0. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 all over 2x minus 3 all square. Answer. So please do well to subscribe and also share and like the video. Thank you for watching.